Hi everyone, this is Shaban from GST English. Today, we are going to have an effective and an informative session with you. It will boost up your score in IELTS and PT as well. And the candidates are aspirants who are looking forward to getting admission in international universities, in dignified universities for 2024 intake. This is the right place. It will give you a lot of confidence as how to come into the interaction with the world that is outside of this. So now we today we will talk about the 12 sub branches of tenses that are really effective and beneficial in just boosting up your score in IELTS and PT as well, which are really helpful in providing improving English proficiency levels. So let's move on without wasting the time, and you have to stay with me. It will give you a tons of information and strategies, techniques that are really shining in your future career. So let's move on. First of all, we will discuss about the 12 sub branches, right? So here we have first of all the present indefinite. Present indefinite. In present indefinite, we use what? I mean to say, what type of verb we use. We will talk about this. And even in present continuous, present continuous. So let's move on. Let's see what happens in present continuous. In present continuous. So in the third branch of present, we have present perfect. Present perfect. In present perfect, how can we learn about which is going to be right verb and helping verb? Then we will have present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. So here in present perfect continuous, what kind of the verb or helping verb we can use, we shall let you know about this. Second, here we have past indefinite. We have past indefinite. It is also called like simple past. Okay, so here we have past continuous, past continuous. Here we also have like something you may say which kind of the verb we have to use. Past perfect. Past perfect. It means something you have done. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. So yes, past perfect continuous. You have to stay with me in order to get a lot of information out of this one go lesson. Okay, then we will move towards future. Future indefinite. Future indefinite. Okay, now future continuous. Future continuous. Okay, future continuous. Then we will talk about future perfect. Future perfect. Okay, future perfect. Here we have future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Okay, so now we have to use different verbs. For example, if I use here I, yes, I do. For example, this, I do. Okay, in continuous we use I am doing. I am doing. It gives us the confidence as how to use present continuous. In perfect, we use, for example, I have done, I have done, I have done. Yes, Present perfect continuous, we use I have been, I have been, I have been doing. I have been doing. Yes. Now we will talk about past indefinite. We will use second form I ate. I ate. I was eating. I was eating. We have to present participle. We have to use the fourth form. Now I had eaten, the past participle along with the had. I had been eating. I had been eating, right? Just like we have done here in fourth form. So now we will talk about the future indefinite. I will, I will do. Continuous, I shall, I will. I'll be doing, I will be doing. Perfect. I shall have, I mean to say, I'll have done. Past participle, I shall have, I you may say, I'll be, I'll have been, I'll have been. So here I am just leaving this blank, and you have to just tell me which form of the verb will be here and what's going to be the next one. You have to, it's, and you have to tell me in the comments as well. So let's we talk about a little bit discussion about prepositions. People are really worried about this. On, at, and in. There is a simple case on. For days, we use on for days. We use at, normally for time, and we use in for seasons, okay, for years, and then for months. Let's see, we have some examples. If I say, for example, Friday, what will be the preposition here? At number one, on, because it is a day. For example, I say, yes, winter. Winter. Because it is a season, I would use in. If I want to use at. So, for example, I would give you a lot of confidence here. For example, 7 p.m. So we can say at 7 p.m. Okay. So this is going to be last one. If I say yes, this like this, I would say August, okay, 1947. Now this is your task. Now you have to fill in the blanks and let me know what's going to be the right answer. Okay. So here we have just gone through the 12 tenses in a one go. I hope it will give you a lot of confidence from just English. So thank you very much. It will boost up your score for IELTS and PT as well. If you want to become our part, just dial our number and get enroll yourself, and even we will be give you the best services. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.